Welcome to my channel. Wow, vlogger naman pala. So, for today's content, we will talking about productivity software applications, which is the tools for teaching and learning. So, yun na nga, we have these topics. And first, we have open-ended tools and their uses in teaching and learning. Second one is maximize the use of Microsoft Word and the spreadsheet. The third one is effective use of PowerPoint and Prezi, Photoshop, Publisher, and Movie Maker. Creating student samples using open-ended tools. Podcasting and using social networking sites in education. Mobile technology for teachers and the BYOD classroom. Gaming in education, educational apps for mobile phones. Making IMs using open-ended tools, revisiting of PB learning plan, integration of student samples and teacher-made instructional materials. And the last one is we have selecting competencies requiring ICT integrations. So, pagkatapos nating malaman yung mga topics na papag-aralan natin ngayong araw, let us move on to the learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, what should be able to do or to attain? We have to describe the different software applications and tools for teaching and learning. At the end of the lesson, we should be able to familiarize with their features and significance to teaching and learning. Use open-ended tools such processing, spreadsheet, presentation software, and authoring tools in subjects specific application. So we will going to identify also the uses of open-ended tools, which is the productivity tools, whether freeware or Microsoft Office, in the teaching learning elementary subjects. And at the end of the lesson, we should be able also to appreciate the use of open-ended tools in teaching, specifically in subject areas. And we have to create students' outputs using computer application programs as evident for learning. Prepare IMs for different elementary subjects utilizing selected open-ended tools in delivering the learning plan. And we have also to enhance the learning plan, develop 21st century skills through ICT integration. And we have to select appropriate competencies in integrating ICT or information and communication technology. And last one, we have to appreciate at the end of the lesson the ICT integration in teaching lessons in elementary. So now guys, we will going to start discussing about the topic 1, which is all about open-ended tools and their uses in teaching and learning. So, harap na! So yun na nga, ano nga ba yung about sa open-ended tools? So according to our module, open-ended tools and their uses in teaching and learning is to describe in this lesson focus primarily on instructional and productivity applications that teachers implement. However, some administrative applications that both teachers and administrators use are also described, as well as recent developments and terminologies. So ano nga ba yung open-ended tools na tinatawag? Ito yung ginagamit natin kapag kailangan natin ng right answer and at the same time solution or outcome which can be completed in more than one way, which is they can take the form of statements. So according ito sa learning platform. So yun na nga, ito pa. According to Possibilities Learning website na yun na nga, yung open-ended tools ay ginagamit for more than one right answer, solution or outcome that can be completed in more than one way. Okay, maraming sistema na pwede nating i-apply, strategy para sa paggamit natin ng open-ended tools dahil ito ay nagpo-form ng mga statements, questions, tasks, projects, or teaching methods. So now, aalamin naman natin when we have to use open-ended tools. So sa school, we have so many types of activities in addition to teaching. And software has been designed to support of this. Yung mga activities na kung saan ay ini-implement natin sa loob ng classroom. For we are looking forward to the meaningful and effective teaching process. So software, hence termed as open-ended tools. Okay, to support educational technology. And technology applications in school settings include instructional, productivity, and administrative system of giving activities in classroom. So sa instructional kasi, kailangan dito yung programs na designed ay ituro yung mga kakayahan at mga kaalaman na pwedeng sa pamamagitan ng pagdedemo, okay, sa pagbibigay ng mga halimbawa, and some simulations, tutorials, and problem solving. Ganon din yung nangyayari sa productivity. And last one sa administrative naman, yung program ng administration sa school or state and district levels ay ginagamit para suportahan yung pagre-record and yung mga exchanges information among various agencies. This includes student records and payroll systems. So at this very moment, we will going to know what is all about the productivity software and its relevance. So we have 3 popular applications sa productivity software. Ano yon? So una is yung word processing, pangalawa is yung spreadsheet, and last one is yung database. So ano ba yung ginagawa ng productivity software? It makes people more efficient and effective in their daily activities. So kung ikaw nag-implement ng activities yung teacher mo in classroom, so as a student, you will going to be more competent, more effective on doing the task, di ba? So you will going to produce an outcome which is having quality as you have to do your daily activities. So ito pa yung mas maganda sa productivity software. Becoming more popular and more in demand to learn for employment. So pasensya na kayo guys kung medyo maingay yung ating environment kasi hindi natin kontrolado yung lahat ng yan. After nating ibigay kung ano-ano yung mga productivity softwares, alamin naman natin kung ano yung tungkol sa kanila. First of all, we have to discuss all about word processing. What is word processing? It is widely used to create or edit a typed document. So, in this program, you can change the format of your work like color, text, size. So, ngayon na nasa online mode of learning tayo na parang lagi tayong may requirement or lagi tayong mayroong activities, task na binibigay ng ating mga teachers. We are looking forward to have that task to have those activities na merong mga quality, na talagang merong creativity, and na-insertan natin nung format na magbibigay ng outcome na napakaganda. So isa doon yung kino-consider natin is yung color, text, and size nung ating mga documents. So makakatulong yung word processing talaga pagdating doon. And this program also allows you to add clip art, change margins, spell check, header, and footer. So kung tatandaan lang natin, matutulungan tayo nito for using technology and knowing its effectiveness pagdating sa paggawa natin ng mga works natin online or even not online. So let's move on to spreadsheet. It is used to organize data in rows and columns in a worksheet. So may kanya-kanya silang mga roles pagdating sa pagiging productivity software. So sa spreadsheet, data is stored in cells that are divided in columns and rows. More than 15 million cells can hold data. So imagine, nakaka-hold siya ng data for 15 million cells yung laman. And cells can hold numbers, formula, or functions. When data in one cell is changed, all of them that are affected will change automatically. So kapag nabago natin yung isang data lang, magbabago na lahat, maapektuhan na lahat nung mga cells na mag-change automatically. Most spreadsheets allows you to create macros which hold a series of keystrokes and instructions. So yun yung kahalagahan at gamit ng spreadsheet. So ano naman yung tungkol sa database, guys? It is a system that collects data and allows access, retrieval, and use of the data. So ito naman yung tungkol sa mga datas. Data is stored in tables which consist of rows and columns. When data is entered, the program can validate it by comparing a set value, or it may have established rules. Once the data is stored, you can sort it, query it, and generate reforms from it. So yun yung kailangan nating tandaan.